See, this was straight and curved paths, so it's using a combination of that. Nothing in the paths, it just has the layer for the template. So when you take a look, take the pen tool, here your option in putting again the handle right up on top of that section. So get it nice and close. And then you have a selection for B. So when you see this part, you drag it down and the handle goes up to the top. Your pen goes to the red. It makes that arch. Okay. But if I go to try to draw anything else from here, it's going to be a curved path. So what you need to do is to hold the Option key down and click in here once, and that sets this as a corner. And then you can click and drag the handle out, which is the ahead of the curve. And now click here and draw this letter C down below. Now I'll get a new layer and just fill that with a color so you can see what's happening. The shape is there, it just filled it, connected there. If I put it with a stroke, you can kind of see the outside edge for it. So let's try this one. Take the pen tool, and again, working path, I'm just going to put path 1, and I'll keep them on the same one. Here's D. If I click and drag, you see it's a curve, so what they're asking you just to click it to set the straight line. So Shift key there, and then click and just drag the handle right up to the top. Click and drag the handle down here to the bottom. And if I go right to G, it's still a curve. So undo that and just click here to set this as a corner point. Oops. Make sure you hold the Option key. Illustrator, you don't. And there you have this. And you can take the selection tool. That's the point that you have, so direct selection. So now if I give this part a stroke, here's the layer we'll work on. You can see it's making that shape. So it's a combination. Let's try the last one. Here's the pen tool. Just click on H, I. Now I have to let go and then click and drag the handle out. Now drag this handle down. Click on that point to set it as a corner point with the Option key. And now you have it all selected. So this part has a combination of the straight with the curved line in it. Click on it with the stroke. And there you have that section. Again, I can go with the B for the brush. Make this a little bigger. I could even highlight this a little bit. I'll use a green. You can kind of see a little bit of the silhouette beneath it, but if you hit it again, it'll disappear with the percentage of 90 opacity. And just kind of try it a little bit smaller with the bracket key. A little bit smaller there. A little bit smaller there. That's the percentage. So again, I can use either one of these. So let's try this one. Here's the direct selection. Here's the path. This time I'm just going to click on and go to the pencil. You can see the pixelation of the pencil itself. So we'll start off with the purple selection. Smaller, smaller, so you can kind of see some of the different colors that you can come up with as far as the design going through that. So again, the letter A. Click on the path itself. Here we're just using the pencil to be a little bit heavier than before. So here's the pixelation of it. Because at that thickness, it's going to write it right across the top. Okay. You can see the pixelation. They have a pixel grid on. But there you have a few of the shapes placed in